Hi friends, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? Hope you're all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video lovely people you will see in this video is modern and stylish. Today we'll see in this videos modern stylish landscaping ideas, pebblestone trends, garden decorations ideas. So we will see in this videos modern landscaping decoration trends in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel. We will see in this video stylish and trending landscaping ideas, pebblestone trends, garden decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. We will see in this videos modern, attractive and trending landscaping ideas, pebblestone trends, garden decorations ideas. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching this videos till the end. You will see modern you will see in this videos very attractive and trending today you will see in this video stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decoration trends in 2025. Marvelous and stylish, unique, modern garden decorations ideas. Pebblestone ideas in 2025. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. Marvelous and stylish, unique landscaping ideas. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So I will meet you in a